Hello guys, yeah. So right now I'm actually working on the part 2 of this turbo charger. Like I say, this is the first day that I did the work on. I mounted this from the carburetor, from the air intake, going to the carburetor, from the carburetor to the turbo manifold. Then from there it's being driven by a fan coming from here to the engine. So right now I want to be working on the aspect of, because the turbo is being divided into two, but they actually join it with a particular component. So we have the carburetor aspect or the injector aspect, and the exhaust output, exhaust input and output. While for the carburetor or injector, we have the carburetor input or output, or injector input or output. So so okay, yeah, we'll be working into this. Like this now is actually being designed to be here. This is for the exhaust. This is the exhaust manifold. So it's designed to be like this. Designed to be like this. So this is how it was meant to be. But since I'm using it for in a bike engine, so I have to cut it off here and design it just to fit for a single exhaust. Since I'm using a single piston, that is a bike engine on this project, so I'm going to be cutting it up. But before then, I'm going to cross check whether if this, because most of this kind of exhaust manifold is always cast. So I want to confirm if it is actually cast or the metal own. So let me proceed on the cross checking now. So I'm going to be testing that with fabrication. So if it's actually cast, there is a kind of sign that is going to show me to show that it's cast. Well, I think this metal, you can see from the fabrication, assuming it's actually cast, it will have something like hole at the end of the fabrication. But from looking at this now, it's actually a metal. So I'm going to be cutting it off from here. From there, I will design what I will be, the aspect whereby the single exhaust is going to go in. So let's proceed with the job right now. Okay, I'll be doing the cutting of it now. So this is what I have now. I don't need this. So this is exactly what I need. So let me start I'm going to take it off here so that the exhaust in there can actually match on it. So let's start the Okay guys, I'll be tightening it on this vise to do the remaining work. I think the vise will be able to hold it very well. So guys, I'm still on the wall, on the job, as you can see. So this is what I remove out of this. So I designed it to be like this, so that I can weld my exhaust on it. So it's gonna be here now. I'm gonna be mounting it this as on this side. So I'm gonna have it this way. Okay guys, yeah, right now I have this particular one now. I've installed this now. So god. So what I'm gonna do now, I want to start the design of this particular side, this side here. But the point right now is that when I bought this with the topo, they didn't give me the one that stayed on this side. So I'm gonna start constructing it again. So this one, you can see what I did here. So that is when I was starting to construct something like that. I'm gonna add there. So I'm gonna start the construction right now. So I will have this here. Okay. So guys, right now this is the job I want to do now. Because I didn't have the gasket, I will start forming it from here. So this is what I actually designed this. This is actually for an exhaust. So I'm the one that burned. I use the welding machine, the welding light to burn it to this level, so that I can expand the space of the fan of the outlet and the one of this. Now I really don't know what this actually works. So that's the reason why I did it that way, as you can see now. So what I will be doing now, I'll be using a nut now to form this 4-hole now. So as you can see here, I have them here. So let me start the work. Let me proceed the work. Okay. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll be fixing this here. So take the first. So I hope you guys can see it. Okay. Okay. I'll be fixing this very one. So take a good this. Okay, let me just stack it. Let me just weld it so that it does not shake. So I'm trying to do the tightening of it. So, and I also I'm going to set it for it to be a little space, a little gap between them in case if I want to pull it off. Okay. Oh, this is okay. This is very okay. So it can easily be pulled off. So let me add the third one. So we have the third one here. Oh, this one I don't know how it's gonna be. Okay, let me set it first. Let me set other ones very well first. Okay, let me take something off. Okay, I think I'm good to go now. I think I'm good to go now, guys. So it's left for me to. I want to pull it off now, so that I can be able to turn it very well and give it a full welding. Yeah, I think this is gonna make a full movement. So let's take it off. It's very hot. Okay. Yeah. So guys, this is what I have now. So it's left for me to give it a full welding, as you can see. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna add the gasket. I'm gonna add the gasket on top, so that it can fill up all these. So that it can fill up all these spaces you are seeing here. I'm gonna add the gasket for it. I'm gonna form a gasket and add for it, so that it can fill up all these spaces you are seeing here. So guys, you guys should still stay with me. We are still working on it, making a lot of improvements. So after this now, so right now, so this is the next step we're going to take now. I'm going to form this on top of this. I'm going to form this here. So this is the outlet of the exhaust. So you guys should stay with us. Okay guys, the lights have actually gone, so I was meant to finish the fabrication, so I have to wait until once the green light, I will continue the job. Thank you. That may be, I don't know the time that they will be bringing light. I really need to have to keep this in so that it will not break, because it's actually under zero setting right now. So let me keep it very well so that it will not go, it will not get broken. Thank you.